Hello everybody, we're going to be making a castle. So, yeah. We're making a tent. First, it's going to be hot. Yeah, so we're not going to need a stick right here. I have a stick right ready. I need to get the stick. Oh, there's a stick right here. Look at it right here.
No, we're trying to make it a real tent, Daisy. Not a fake one. Okay, one of this. One of this, one of that. One of this, that. It's easier to make it with like
Get the stick.
stuff that's
Blur this. That's good.
Okay, we're gonna
Come on, daughters. Don't make the tent. Our magic friends will do it. Ooh, that's cool. That is cool.
There's that good. Could you see under there?
hand.
Could you see under there, Daisy?
Let's see. I can see under there. Because with my own eyes, I can see under there. With my own eyes, I can see. With my own eyes, I can see under there. Want to see my credit card, DC? It's so small, so I'm gonna have to put on my hand. Wait, let me go bigger. Bigger. Credit card for DC. Credit card for DC.
What's DC credit card, Daisy?
DC credit card. My little DC credit card.
Okay, DC
A little
credit
bit
card.
bigger. I'll just show you my DC credit card. I showed you on the front. Got to see that way.
What about we could do it like...
It says 9.999.
Do you just
The
want to do it
S and a
so that we don't need...
line on it, and it's a 9.90. It's like it's a 9, but it gotta see it that well.
Daisy, can you see under there?
Yes, with your own eyes, okay? Enough my credit cards.
Okay.
And then it says 7470976 3.
Okay, Daisy, I'm done
On
with
the
the
top it says
And pretend you pack all the stuff in here. That's your pack, okay?
2.
And it didn't mess up. Okay, I can remake it.
No, it's 8, 3. And this is 8. 8. Yeah, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 6,
I'll be back.
0, 8, 4, 2. Yeah, so on the bottom, I just said the top, I just said the middle one, and I just said the bottom one. I say in Spanish like this: credit cards. Yeah, my famous way to credit cards. Let's go on the tip, everybody. Now, by count to 5. Good night. Everybody in the tent now! There's a big storm coming. I heard about it. Heard it. Everybody in the stuff. Get in the tent. Get in the Lego tent.
Daisy, I'm not done.
Let's put the toys on the top. The toys will be on the top.
No, because you never know if it might rain. Putting 2 on each side.
Yeah, it will rain.
Well, you can put them in there.
Put them in there. I'm just gonna, put them in there. Are we gonna leave this for a long time? Yeah, I think she should, huh? You should?
No, 2 right here. Now we're done.
Ah! Everything in there! There's a big storm coming.
What about we can put them in the little cubbies?
It's gonna go. Oh, okay. All the stuff in the cubby. I'm gonna put everything in this.
Or we could use.
My credit card is gonna go now. So here's our wonderful tint. So these are cubbies. I put everything in one cubby. We're gonna look for one thing to put on it. Ooh, some covers. Okay, it's raining, so we're gonna look here for tomorrow, and then we're gonna come back. Yeah. Come on, everybody! Ah! It flew off.
I know, I have to put
Let's
something
get on.
hard on it. Yeah.
So